If you're worried about the air quality in your home and want to fight off allergens and germs, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I've found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. The Mammoth BioShield UV 18W, priced at $57.97. What caught my eye here is the easy magnetic installation that allows you to quickly set it up in your HVAC system. If you want a hassle-free solution to improve your air quality, this is worth a serious look. So why does this product stand out? It offers a 253 nanometer UVC output that effectively kills bacteria and viruses in your HVAC system, meaning cleaner air for your home. With zero ozone emissions at just 0.013 ppm, it's safe for your family. The magnetic installation means you won't have to drill or mess around with screws, and it's designed for both residential and commercial systems, making it a versatile choice. Plus, it's certified fire safe, giving you peace of mind knowing it meets strict safety standards. Now, some people complained about needing to wire it to your HVAC ballast. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with basic electrical work, this isn't a deal breaker. If you're someone who prefers a plug-and-play option, you might want to keep looking. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward installation and are looking to enhance air quality. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with wiring, but for $57.97, it delivers solid value for the performance it offers. Now, if that wiring aspect concerns you, the next product might be your ideal alternative. Product number 2. Rico Lighting R2000. The Rico Lighting R2000, available for $53.96. This one grabbed my attention because it's designed specifically for duct installation, and the fact that the bulbs are made in Europe feels like a quality guarantee. If you're looking for a reliable UV light for your AC duct, this is definitely worth considering. This UVC light system uses a 253.7 nanometer output, which helps in reducing harmful bacteria and mold in your air system. It's powered by a 120-volt electric source and comes with a generous 9-foot power cord, so it's flexible for installation. It's not just about sanitizing your air, it also promotes energy efficiency by keeping your HVAC system running smoothly. It's no wonder over 200 units have been sold in the last month. People are clearly seeing the benefits. However, a few users mentioned that its design could be a bit bulky for tighter spaces. But honestly, if you're using a duct system, that shouldn't deter you. Just make sure you measure your installation area first. This is ideal if you want a straightforward installation and have standard ductwork. Skip it if your space is really cramped, but the value for money is undeniable at $53.96. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 3, R600 24V HVAC Air Purifier UV Light. The R600 24V HVAC Air Purifier UV Light comes in at $69.99 and offers a powerful solution for your air quality concerns. I was impressed by its energy-saving features and long lamp life, which can last up to 16,000 hours. If you're looking for something durable and effective, this one deserves a look. This UV light emits a 253.7 nm wavelength, specifically designed to reduce mold and bacteria growth in your HVAC system. With a magnetic bracket for easy installation, it's made with a robust design to handle up to 3,000 square feet of space. This lamp not only enhances your air quality, but also saves you money on energy costs by keeping your HVAC system clean and efficient. One drawback I found is that it requires a dedicated 24 VAC transformer, which could be a hassle for some users. But here's the thing, if you're serious about maintaining a clean HVAC system, investing in the transformer is a small price to pay for improved air quality. This is perfect for homeowners looking for a long-lasting and effective UV solution. Skip it if you're not prepared to add a transformer, but for its price and features, it's a great option. Now, if you're really focused on performance, the next pick amps things up significantly. Product number 4. BioShield UV 18W Air Purifier. The BioShield UV 18W Air Purifier caught my eye because of its no-drill magnetic installation. This makes it super easy to set up, And if you want ease combined with safety, this one is definitely worth checking out. It features a 25.3 nanometer UV light that effectively kills airborne pathogens while producing zero ozone emissions, keeping your air safe and clean. The indicator light lets you know when it's working, which is a nice touch for monitoring performance. Plus, it's fire safety certified, so you can use it with confidence in any HVAC system. However, I did notice some users mentioning it could be a bit pricier compared to other basic models, but honestly, the safety features and ease of installation make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about air quality. This is perfect if you want a quick and effective solution without the complexity of hardwiring. Skip this if you're looking for a more budget option, but at $57.97, you're getting great value for your health. Next up, we have a powerhouse product that's made for those larger installations. Product number 5, powerful 80-watt HVAC duct UVC light. We have the powerful 80-watt HVAC duct UVC light, priced at $99.99. This one really impressed me with its high output UV lamp that achieves a 99.9% sanitization rate. If you want maximum performance for your air quality needs, this is the product for you. This unit uses a dual H-tube design, which increases UV coverage and ensures even light distribution, making it super effective for sanitizing your ducts. Plus, the ceramic base is built to last, handling higher temperatures without wear. It's designed for easy installation and maintenance, saving you time and hassle. One downside mentioned by some users is the initial price, as it's at the higher end of our list. But here's the thing. If you have a larger space or a commercial application, the efficiency and durability make it a solid investment. You'll save money in the long run by improving air quality and system efficiency. This one is perfect for larger homes, offices, or facilities needing serious air purification. Skip it if you're on a tight budget, but for $99.99, you're investing in a cleaner environment. Now that we've gone through these options, let's wrap up and see which UV HVAC light might be right for you. To quickly recap, we've looked at 5 excellent UV HVAC lights: the Mammoth BioShield UV, Reco Lighting R2000, R624V UV light, BioShield UV 18W, and the powerful 80W HVAC duct UVC light. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the R624V UV light because of its longevity and efficiency, especially if you're serious about air quality. On the flip side, I'd avoid the powerful 80W HVAC light if you're looking for something budget-friendly, as it may be on the pricier end.